Hello and welcome to Smart Teaching. In our today's class, we are going to discuss past perfect continuous tense. In what different types of situations we can use the sentences of past perfect continuous tense, how to make positive sentence, how to make negative sentence, and how to make interrogative sentence of past perfect continuous tense. We are going to discuss all these things in our today's class. Where to use the sentences of past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense is used to show an activity or action that started in past, continued for some time, and ended in past. It is not going on right now. Which auxiliary verb and which form of main verb should we use in the positive sentences of past perfect continuous tense? It is very simple. You are supposed to use the helping verb had been after the subject. Whatever the subject is, after the subject, use the helping verb had been followed by first form of verb plus ing. Then the sentence will become he had been going. It had been going. I had been going. You had been going. They had been going. She had been going. We had been going. You had been going. Name of one person or thing. For example, Edward had been going. Edward and Elizabeth had been going. In this way, by using helping verb had been plus first form of verb plus ing, you can make positive sentence of past perfect continuous tense. How to make negative sentence? All what you need to do is put not in between had and been to make negative sentence. Then the sentence will become he had not been going. It had not been going. I had not been writing. You had not been sleeping. They had not been sleeping. You can use the contraction of had not, which is hadn't. Then the sentence will become she hadn't been sleeping. We hadn't been sleeping. You hadn't been sleeping. Edward hadn't been sleeping. Edward and Elizabeth hadn't been sleeping. How to make interrogative sentence? Bring had at the beginning of the sentence. This is all what you need to do. Then the sentence will become had he been sleeping? Had it been sleeping? Had I been going? Had you been writing? Had they been writing? Had she been writing? Had we been writing? Had you been going? Had Edward been sleeping? Had Edward and Elizabeth been sleeping? In this way, you can use first form of any verb plus ing to make sentence of past perfect continuous tense. Let us see a few examples. Which country had King Arthur been ruling? It is a question. King Arthur had been ruling England. It shows that King Arthur started to rule England long time ago, somewhere in the past. He kept on ruling England for some time. After that, he stopped. Now the action is not going on. Now King Arthur is not ruling England. So the sentence will become King Arthur had been ruling England. He had been ruling England for many years. He hadn't been ruling India. What had these boys been doing yesterday? These boys had been doing homework yesterday. They hadn't been writing a novel. They had been doing homework for 2 hours. It shows that their action continued for 2 hours. How long had he been working in Dubai? He had been working in Dubai for 5 years. He hadn't been working in England. Wasim Akram. Wasim Akram had been playing for Pakistan. He had been playing for many years. In this way, you can use the sentences of past perfect continuous tense to show an activity that started somewhere in the past, continued for some time, then stopped. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.